Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about best designer ideas of women, trendy, office going ladies, stylish outfit ideas, beautiful office work, dress designs and ideas. Those ladies who work in office, beautiful and trendy, stylish office work, dress designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and attractive, stylish office going ladies dress designing ideas. Beautiful outfits you can see in this my video. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of dress designs. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, stylish dress designing ideas you can see in this my channel. If you want to buy these very beautiful and attractive women stylish office work dress designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish, beautiful light and dark color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Beautiful dress designing ideas you can see. Every types of stylish office work outfits you can see in this my video. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish office work dress design ideas, stylish office work outfits. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.